Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of configuring dependency for the calculation of complex test results. To configure, navigate to the Application Settings module and switch to Form Configurations. Now, switch to the Test module. Select a test group and a test code. Press Configure Analytes, and then press Configure Dependency. Select a dependency type, mapped value, replica, or formula expression. The mapped value category is for mapping controlling analyte attribute with the dependent analyte attribute. For mapped value, select a controlling analyte and a controlling attribute. The values of the controlling attribute should be numeric. Similarly, select a dependent analyte and a dependent attribute. Now, tick Add. Enter a numeric value and press Save. You can add dependent categories for each controlling category one by one. To edit an existing dependent category, select it, tick Edit, enter a new value, and then press Update. To remove an existing category, select it, tick Remove Selected Categories, and then press Remove. Press Update. The replica type of dependency is for copying the value of controlling analyte attribute to dependent analyte attribute. Select Replica, and then select a controlling analyte and a controlling attribute. Similarly, select a dependent analyte and a dependent attribute. Press Update to save and press View Existing Dependency to see the dependencies configured. Formula expression is for defining a formula for dependent analyte and attribute. Select Formula Expression, and then select a dependent analyte and a dependent attribute. Press Define Expression. Select an analyte and an attribute using Control-click. Select an arithmetic operator, enter a constant, and press Append. Press Evaluate to check if the formula is correct. To delete an attribute or an operator or a constant one at a time, press the backspace button. You can specify the accuracy of the results by specifying the number of digits after decimal box. Press Save to save the formula, and then press Update and Close to finish. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.